Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you guys can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing the Boxycharm review for the month of October. So pretty much I do get these boxes every month and I feel the need to show you guys everything because the Boxycharm is such a great purchase of mine that I have made. It's a monthly purchase of only $26. Or technically 25, but it's 25 and some change, so I'm rounding it up. It's 26. And you get 5 full-size products in here. It could be skincare, makeup, anything beauty related or cosmetics. You literally get it all in here. You could get designer brands like name brands, or Boxycharm brand, anything like that. Pretty much I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received this month for the month of October. I'm just gonna show you guys the product, show you guys what it looks like, and I'm gonna read you guys a little description of what each product is and what you do with each product. So this is the box that it comes in. This is what I got for the month, whoa. This is what I got for the month of October. This was in the box. How did I know that was gonna happen? Anyway, so this is what was in the box for October. And this is the little pamphlet card that it comes with. So there's a theme, I think, every month, because every month the pamphlet, the cover of it is something different every time. So this month is obviously like candy and like bloody fingers. And there's like scissors, I guess, for Halloween theme, because you get candy in Halloween, bloody, scary. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's what the pamphlet looks like. And then this is just the back. It just pretty much states what each product is, how much is the actual retail price. So I'm gonna also give you guys that as well. So keep in mind that this whole box is only $26. So the first product is Ciaté London New England Editor Palette. Let's see where that is. Here it is. This is what it looks like. This is the front. Let's see, let's open this. Ooh, cute. This is what the palette looks like. This is the back. And then these are the colors. Whoa. Glittery. Straight glitter. So this is what it looks like. Glitter colors. So there's like a beige. Okay, that's going out. There's like beige, all glitter, legit everywhere. So this says, inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richly pigmented autumnal, oh my god, I can't say this word. Autumnal, whatever. Anyway, it says mix and match metallic glitters and mattes for effort. Oh my god. Let's start this over. Okay, so this palette is inspired by New England in fall. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix and richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. And this palette alone is $32. So that's cool. The next item that we have from Boxycharm is the Luxie. It's the Wonderlust Set. Let's see what that is. Is this it? No. I guess it's this. Yes. So it says Luxie on it. And let's see what's in here. Oh, it's eyeshadow brushes. Whoop. Okay, so this says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. This versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shadow brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for a glam on the go. So it comes with, whoa, it comes with 4 brushes. It just stated what each brush was. And this is $40. First of all, let me just say, honey, I'm not spending $40 on 5 brushes. Like, it's not happening. I could probably get a full set for $40. But thank God for Boxycharm. I didn't have to spend my money on that. They spent it for me. Okay, so the next item that we have for Boxycharm is Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This is, whoa. And I know you guys heard of the brand Dose of Colors. I've heard of that as well. They have really good lipsticks, and I've heard their concealers are very good as well. So this is a concealer. It says blendable, lightweight, long wear, and full coverage. It's vegan, cruelty-free, tack-free, and paraben-free. This is what it looks like. And the shade. So the shade is medium tan. This is what it looks like. Let's swatch it. This is it on my hand. So pretty much when you sign up for Boxycharm, you're going to be filling out a quiz of everything that you like, your hair color, your skin color, your eye color, what kind of skin you have, dry, whatever the case is. You're gonna pretty much answer all these questions. They ask you what you prefer, skincare or beauty. It's a whole bunch of things, and pretty much they send you things to your liking, and then they send you stuff to your skin color. So that's also cool as well. So this says Dose of Colors, well, whatever. This says this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. And this is $24 by itself. Not bad, guys, not bad. So the next product that we have is called Frank Body. It's a glow mask. That is this. Ooh, it says Frank Body Glow Mask Caffeinated. Glow on, I dare you. For bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into skin and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and glow. So it's a face mask. This is what it looks like. The back. So this says this moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and takes only 5 minutes to work. And this is $21.95. Not bad. I literally love face masks. I do face masks all the time. Okay, so the last item that we have for Boxycharm, the 5th item, is from Spongellé. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, so please forgive me. But it says Spongellé. It's a cherry Tonka musk body wash infused butter. What is this? This is what it looks like. This is the back. So this says body wash infused butter. It's a body wash, buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Directions: place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. So this says Spongellé has collaborated with Boxycharm to create limited edition body wash infused butters. These buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of Yuzi, I don't know what that is, Edelweiss, what are this stuff, what the, and vetiver root to cleanse. I'm definitely saying all those words wrong, so please forgive me. It says to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home, and this is $20. So I kind of want to take it out the package to see what it looks like. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Wow, I wish you guys can smell this. No, if this is how my skin's gonna smell after I use it, this is what it looks like. So it's shaped like a flower. That's cute. It's kind of hard. So I guess that's where the buffing comes in. You like do your buffing in a circular motion, takes off like dead skin, stuff like that, and it hydrates your body as well. I guess with whatever those things were listed or in here. But this legit smells amazing. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Oh wait, did I say the real top price? Oh yeah, I did. It's $20. But that's about it for this video. Those are my 5 full-size products from Boxycharm that I received for the month of October. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you want to see from me. And if you're new to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Come join me on this journey. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.